A lot of money. Bye for
See you
now.
soon. Bye-bye. Hello. If you want to see what the weather has in store for the British Isles in the coming days, you basically just have to take a look towards the Atlantic because low pressures are queuing up. Here's one out close to the west at the moment. That's going to come into play Thursday evening, overnight and into Friday. And then this slightly more innocuous looking area of cloud in the Atlantic at the moment is going to explosively deepen into an area of low pressure to bring stormy conditions for the weekend. More on that though in just a moment. First thing, a lot of cloud across the British Isles, low cloud at that, misty and murky conditions for the majority to get Thursday underway. So grey skies, but it will be a relatively mild start. Some rain to go along with that cloud for central southern England, the Midlands and the north east of England for a time through Thursday morning. To the east with a bit of brightness, it could turn out to be a warmish afternoon, actually, highs of up to 18 or 19. Towards the west, some early sunshine, but replaced by cloud, rain and strengthening winds for the southwest of England and Wales. Northern Ireland getting quite a lot of rain really throughout the course of the day. It's through Thursday evening and into the small hours of Friday, though, that area of low pressure starts to whip up the winds, particularly for the Cornish coast, but really anywhere along the Channel coasts through the small hours of Friday. A mild enough night thanks to the cloud, the wind and the rain, but definitely not the prettiest of starts to Friday. Most areas getting off to a grey and wet start. Northern Ireland seeing the best improvement through the morning. Elsewhere, though, give it a few hours and most of the rain does clear, as you can see by lunchtime, and the winds fall light. So might still be a bit overcast, but a great improvement on the start of the day. Through the afternoon, 15 or 16 as top temperatures are about right for this time of year. Towards the west, though, the first signs of what awaits that explosively deepening area of low pressure set to bring gales and some heavy rain to almost all parts of the UK at some stage this weekend. Here you go. Look at all those isobars. The wind's particularly strong as the storm gets near to us, but the worst should stay out in the Atlantic, starting to weaken somewhat that low as it does push on shore on Saturday. But nonetheless, a risk of gales again, particularly for exposed coasts in the west, but inland gales too. More heavy rain for Northern Ireland when we've already seen plenty. That could cause some problems. Rain for the southwest of England, for Wales and parts of Scotland too. Eastern areas perhaps not getting too bad a day overall on Saturday, but rain will make its way in here on Sunday. Most areas picking up showers at some stage. Still some strong and gusty winds around as well, and quite sorry temperatures of just 12 to 14 degrees.